Welcome to Walletopia. This is where you go when you want to know anything and everything there's about the world of wallets, including cell phone wallets. We do that too. And remember, we purchase every wallet we review. If somebody received it as a gift, then how can you trust they're unbiased? Anyway, today we're going to look at the Wraptor. I think I'm okay. But this is a Wraptor with a W, not with an R. Made by Alpha Leather Company. I really like what I see here, so let's get into it. I think this is kind of funny. It just kind of goes into that shape. Don't know why. It looks like it has horns. All right, sometimes I find things that are interesting. Let's open this up. It's a cotton bag. And here is the wallet, the Wraptor. Now, this is kind of interesting. Designs are awesome when you can find things that are just a little different than what you'd have. Alpha Leather Company, David Jasic. He is the owner, designer, and creator. Made by hand, obviously. Let's see how this opens. I like this strap for protection, security. Look at the sewing really quick. Looks to be good. Leather has a good feel to it. I think we'll like this one. Now to the feature review, the Alpha Leather Company Wraptor wallet. This is the brown color, and there are three distinct areas to this wallet. The first is this quick access card slot in the back. Thumb push here, but you can have more cards than just one. And really your most used cards would go here. If we come to the front, we see we have a flap, and the flap is what provides safety and security for not only the cards that come in here, but for the second area, which is more card storage. Cards can go into here in the middle, and this is where your archive cards would go, less used cards, let's say insurance, loyalty cards, and so forth. And so this flap comes around under this cash strap. Cash actually goes in here, and that's where cash is maintained. And of course you have the strap that comes around, or the flap that comes around, which protects cards here, inner cards, and also over the cash in the front. It's quite clever in what it does. And that's a quick review of the features of the Alpha Leather Company Wraptor wallet. Now to the card and cash insertion tab. As you saw, I put in over 10 notes as well as 5 cards. 2 on the external, the quick access, as well as 3 on the internal. Minimalist carrying this is probably 4. Reasonable, I think, is 6. The company recommends up to 10 cards in the middle section alone, so its capacity is really impressive. Probably 15 or more cards if you really pushed it and stretched it. Now, from a quality perspective, this is designed and made in the United States from a full-grain veg-tanned English bridal leather. It is hand-sewn using UV-protected nylon thread, and it comes in 5 colors. Now, really, this is no gimmick by way of a wallet here. I really like the clean and functional design provided by it. And now, from a pricing perspective, it's $82, I think a little expensive, but let's go over the usability of this. There are 4 things that I think really make this wallet stand out by way of its usability as a leather wallet. The first is the quick access card slot that we see here in the front. Common but critical in the design with capacity built in right here based on the flap that comes around. The second is this interior slot here. Notice how you have the cards that are inserted in. It cuts here at the top and down here at the bottom where it grabs, and so cards stay. You have to pull them and then insert them back in like that. Third really is the angle the cash strap is placed. It's deliberate. And the way that you should place your cash is with the folded section as you see it. The fourth and final is this flap that wraps around like this. That's the safety security for the internal cards in here, as well as pulling this in and securing it, and really makes this an easy platform to work on by way of a wallet. Weighs 4.2 by 2.9 by 0.4, and it weighs 33 grams. It does have a lifetime guarantee, and the owner-operator, David Jaski, has his store open and closed at times. So when you find it open, I think you're going to want to grab one of these wallets when you can. Otherwise, send him a note, see if he'll make one for you. Now on to the final score. Quality of 4. I think the sewing could have been a little more crisp. Price of 2. This generally exceeds the cost of wallets in this range. Features of 4. Lots of things going on here. The usability is fantastic as a 5, and perception is a 3 because the owner doesn't kind of keep his store open all the time. And that gives us a final score, 37 out of 50. Great wallet. See if you can get David to help you get one of these. We appreciate you being here. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.